Hello everyone, welcome to our airport customer service course. In today's lesson we will talk about the zero and first conditional. Natalie has decided to travel to Shanghai. She is traveling alone. How will you communicate with Chinese people when you don't even speak the language? I've been practicing and I'm taking this phrase book with me. If I can't remember a word, I'll look it up. But you can't read Chinese. How will you know how to get around? If you see a sign, you won't be able to read it. Like I said, I've been practicing. Besides, I don't feel lost when I have a map. But you can't speak Chinese. You won't be able to understand anyone. I'm not worried. I'll be okay. Many people speak English there. Do you want anything from Shanghai? Yes, some tea sets. No problem. If I find one, I will buy it for you. Great. And when you come back, you will tell me all about it. Here we can see some of the uses for zero and first conditional. Remember, we use zero conditionals to talk about things that are always true, whether they are scientific facts or personal beliefs. Both parts are in the present simple. For instance, when you run, your heart beats faster. I don't feel lost if I have a map. I am late for work when I take the 8 a.m. bus. When children don't eat well, they are unhealthy. And we use the first conditional to talk about things which might happen if an action takes place. We use if for things that are likely to happen and when for things that are certain to happen. It uses if or when plus present simple and will plus infinitive. How would you communicate with Chinese people when you don't even speak the language? I won't wait for you if you are late again. Neither zero nor first conditions are set in present continuous tense. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye.